Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jeffrey. I'm a student and an entrepreneur. I make most of my money online and also on the internet. On this channel, I do stuff like how to make money online, YouTube, affiliate marketing, and social media growth. So if you want to make more money and learn some of this trick, kindly hit the subscribe button and also the like button to be notified anytime we post a new video. Now I'm going to show you some website that you can make money. You can make a lot of money over them. Now for this website, you can make money. You can make $3 just by signing up. Just $3 just by signing up, and you can do that within just a minute. You can earn this $3, but then there are a lot of tasks for you to do over there that can earn you, that are paid. On this website that I'm going to show you, you realize that this website is worldwide. It accepts people from all over the world. It is global and accepts people from all over the world. Now the payment option for this website I'm going to show you is they accept PayPal. So you are being paid through PayPal, through Skrill, through Amazon, and also Wise. So these are the payment method. And then also for this website, immediately you sign in, you get $3. And also for this website, you have access to online paid surveys where you have to complete these surveys, answer these questions, and these questions just takes a minute to answer, and then you could just make $3 just by answering only one survey and more. Now there are a lot of surveys over there that could earn you, like just by answering one survey you could get like $30, you could get like $10, you could get like $50 just by answering one survey. And also you will get paid when you do some of these tasks. Now for this website I'm going to show you, you can work at home. Also you can work from home, and also signing up on this website is also very easy and very free. So let's quickly move to the website. Now this website, you could see that it says, do you still have questions over here? So about the website, it said that it is free to access paid surveys. So yes, it is free to register at a rewarding ways, and there are no costs to access our survey. There are hundreds of surveys on this channel each and every day. Now can I join? Can anyone join? Yeah, you see that over here, you can see we accept members from worldwide. And then also you could see that it says that how do I get paid? Once you complete the surveys, the reward is sent to your rewarding account. So you could see that request payment anytime you have over, so just $1, you could just request payment, you can just withdraw from there. And then it says that how do I request payment? So you could requesting payment is quick and very easy. Select your payment option, and then you are being paid through that, and you give your information, and it says that you are paid issue within 8 hours. How many surveys can I complete? It says there are no limit to the number of surveys you can complete. And then it says that is there any joining bonus? So you can see that all members receive free bonus. Promo codes are also made available. So to get to this website that I'm going to mention, you would have to go to the video description. You see the link, click on the link, and it will take you to the website for you to register. So quickly let's go on, and then let me log in because I already have an account over there. So you see that when I log in, so you could see that when you sign in, everything is here. So you could see specially selected surveys for this person. So you could see I have a cash of, so this is what I have currently just by signing in. I have $0.2, and then I could go ahead and withdraw over there. Then it says over here that we have earn up to 50 each day taking part in paid surveys online. So these are some of the surveys we have. These are the popular surveys over here. Surveys, CPS Research, Bit Labs, and then unlimited paid surveys with fees payment. And then we have more great surveys providers. We have offer wars. So there are a lot of tasks to be done over here. So you could also go to this place, and then the option over here, paid surveys, and then you could see some of these. When you go to offer wars, you could see some of these surveys that you could do. And then you could see, when you go here, you could see some referral. So it says that 25 referral commission. So over here, so you could also refer people. So now when you come to this place, you could see the number of people who are earning from this website. So you could see this guy over here has won this he has won this prize and he has earned this amount of money. So just by doing some of these things, and then there are cash contest also over here. So it says that the top 20 members who earned most by 28, so there is a promotion going on. By 28 February 2023 will win a prize. Entry fee is free, all members are included automatically. So you could see that for the first 20 people, so you could see people are just contesting just to be in the first 20. So you could also start any. So you say that we receive your payment request. So this from someone they have received his payment, and therefore they are going to pay the person. So you can see that you can make a lot of money from this website. And then if you want to enter this website, just click on the link in the video description, my referral link, and then register, and then start earning a lot of money. So you could make about $1,000 just in a month just by doing this, and you will make about $100 just in a day. So I hope this this video was helpful, and then make sure you use my link in the video description to get to the website. And then I will see you guys in the next video. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I will see you guys